How to fix no signal issues in Honor Magic 7. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button. And then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings and then click on mobile network. On top you can see the option airplane mode. Now here you can turn on or off airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After that, go back to your home screen and reinsert your SIM card. After inserting your SIM card, then open settings and scroll down in last and click on system and updates. And then click on reset. Now here you can reset your network settings. Now click on reset network settings and then again click on reset network settings. After reset the network settings, then go back and click on software update. Now here you can check your software update. If it doesn't update the latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.